Rick, say hi. I'm Rick Douglas, 28 years old, Senior Operations Manager at SPI Global Elite. Stop playing with my camera!
Ako si Gamak. Bukidnon ko daang angaran. Jeronimo Glimer sa birth certificate ko. 29 anyos, isa ka maestro giya sa bukid kang tapas kapis. Ang kasaysayan namon, isa ka malawig nga hinunanon kang pagpalagyo.
Ipuhawa tadematsugid ipuhawa tay sudiganen tuyagid sa ginunuan tuya sa ginsugdan para genhan para menhan pamayaw bayawan inurito bagong pinayo.
Mada kuno, yaamong mga kapapuan, naghalin pa sa isla kang Borneo. Nalagyo sanda tuya, hay tama kapinta si andang dato. Sanda pagpalagyo, nakalabot sanda giya sa isla kang Panay.
I'm Filipino-American. Philem is what you people would brand us sometimes. But I'm more American since I've been there for as long as I can remember. I worked at SPI Chicago for a couple of years, and I was assigned here in the Philippines just last week.
Pagkatapos kang malawig nga tion, umabot ang mga katsila, kaginsakop piya, isla kang Panay. Hay ginpilit ka mga katsila, nga bag-uhon ni andang kinaandan. Sumaka sanda sa mga kabukiran, kag tuya na nga buhi, it malawig nga tinian. Nagpadayon niya amon kinaandan.
I was hesitant at first, but I accepted the offer though. I'm Filipino by blood, and I thought it would be an experience to see the country where I originally came from.
'82, kadang ginbunag ako. Masandukot doon niya inaway, kato sa tunga kang mga military kag NPA sa bukid. Mudo to, ginmando ka gobyerno, nga tanan nga sibilyan, pwersahon, nga magdulog agud to makapalagi sa gera.
I'm good. It doesn't matter, Mom. I asked help from a colleague from that place, and we'll be on our way. We just stopped over for lunch, but we'll be right on our way. I don't know yet, Mom. Honestly, I don't know yet. I hardly know these people, Mom. Okay. Mom, please don't insist. I guess I'll just meet them and say hi. Well, Mom, how's Dad? Okay then. Well, I'll call you back tonight, okay? Yes, Mom. Alright, I love you too. Alright, bye for now. Moms.
Paano ta doon, Nay?
I'm not really sure, but my mom and dad told me that they saw this woman outside their mission with a sick baby with her. They asked her in since both of them are soaked and wet, but the woman just gave them the baby and said she didn't know what to do with him. So the two Caucasian couple nursed the baby till he was well. They tried looking for the woman, but they could no longer find her. So they processed the adoption and brought the baby to the US. And that would be my epic story. I just want to know who they are. Say hi and leave. They waived their rights when they gave me away.
Moto, gintaonan da sa Amerikano nga mag-asawa yatibayon ko. Hay daw mapatay do kita na ko no. Pagkabata pa lang kalibayon ko nga daan, hindi doon ta na mayadiya sitwasyon na. Gapalangit ta na doon pagwa na sa pusong ni nanay. Naglala iya kondisyon na kuno katong ginpabakwit kami tungod sa gera.
Tapaz, we're here. Finally. Woo!
Sir Rick, this is your brother. And your brother Rick.
My brother told me that the story of our tribe is a long narrative about flight. This Bukidnon story is about coming home. I am Labao Dongon. That is the Bukidnon name my mother gave me. It means highly honored. I am Labao Dongon, and I am home.
Sa paglupad kang mga bano, kita nga bagong pinalaknad magasunod.